Top 6 foods to improve your vision naturally. In a world dominated by screens and artificial lighting, protecting and improving our vision has become a difficult task. Although technological advances offer several solutions, our eyes continue to be exposed to various damages, causing vision problems such as night blindness, glaucoma, cataracts, and more. Therefore, maintaining good vision is vital for a healthy and fulfilling life. Although genetics play a role in eye health, but if you choose the right foods, it can go a long way in improving your vision, as certain foods have the power to improve and protect vision. In this video, we will explore the top 6 foods that will protect and improve your vision naturally. Red cabbage. Red cabbage is not only a colorful addition to your plate, but also a powerhouse of nutrients beneficial for eye health. Its vibrant purple hue is indicative of the presence of anthocyanins, potent antioxidants known for their protective effects on various body tissues, including the eyes. The anthocyanins in red cabbage help fight oxidative stress, which causes age-related eye diseases. By neutralizing free radicals, these antioxidants contribute to the overall well-being of the eyes and may help prevent degenerative changes. Red cabbage is a good source of both vitamin A and vitamin C. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the health of the cornea and plays a vital role in low light and night vision. On the other hand, vitamin C helps the health of the blood vessels in the eyes and protects against cataracts. Additionally, red cabbage is rich in fiber, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Proper blood circulation is crucial for delivering essential nutrients to the eyes and ensuring their optimal function. Beef liver. While often overlooked, beef liver is a nutritional powerhouse, particularly when it comes to supporting eye health. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, it offers a concentrated source of nutrients, vital for maintaining the structure and function of the eyes. Beef liver stands out as one of the best sources of vitamin A, a fat-soluble vitamin crucial for vision. Vitamin A is a key component of rhodopsin, a retinal protein that helps with night and low-light vision. Vitamin A deficiency can cause night blindness and other vision problems. Beef liver is also rich in zinc, which is an essential mineral that plays a key role in maintaining retinal health. Zinc contributes to the proper functioning of enzymes involved in visual signaling and helps prevent age-related macular degeneration. The iron and several other B vitamins found in beef liver support overall systemic health by ensuring that the eyes receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients through proper blood circulation. Beetroot. Beets, with their deep purple-red color, are more than just a tasty addition to salads. They are rich in antioxidants and various nutrients that contribute to general well-being, including eye health. Beetroot contains betalains, a group of pigments with antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. By protecting eye cells from damage, beetroot can contribute to the prevention of various eye diseases. Beets are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system and plays a role in maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Adequate vitamin C intake is associated with a reduced risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Beets are known to increase nitric oxide production, which can improve blood flow throughout the body, including the eyes. Proper blood circulation ensures that essential nutrients reach the eyes, supporting their optimal function. Carrots. Carrots are one of the most well-known foods when it comes to eye health, and for good reason. Rich in beta-carotene, carrots provide a direct precursor to vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining clear vision and preventing various eye disorders. Beta-carotene, the pigment responsible for the orange color of carrots, is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is crucial for the maintenance of the cornea, the surface of the eye, and contributes to the functionality of the retina. Adequate vitamin A intake is essential for preventing night blindness and supporting overall vision health. Carrots contain other carotenoids, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which contribute to protecting the eyes from harmful high-energy light waves, especially ultraviolet rays. These compounds are found in the retina and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration. The high water content in carrots also contributes to maintaining the moisture of the eyes, preventing dryness and irritation. Red grapes. Red grapes, often touted for their role in heart health, also offer benefits for the eyes. Rich in antioxidants, including resveratrol, red grapes contribute to overall eye health and may help protect against age-related degeneration. Red grapes are particularly known for containing resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. Resveratrol has been studied for its potential to protect the retina and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Like many fruits, red grapes are a good source of vitamin C. This vitamin contributes to the prevention of cataracts and supports the production of collagen in the eyes, maintaining their structural integrity. Red grapes also contain polyphenols, which have been linked to reducing oxidative stress in the eyes. These compounds may play a role in preventing cellular damage and preserving visual function. Spinach. Spinach, a green leafy vegetable, is a nutritional powerhouse with a wide range of health benefits, including substantial support for eye health. Packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, and other essential nutrients, spinach is a valuable addition to a vision-friendly diet. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that accumulate in the retina and help protect the eyes from harmful high-energy light waves. These compounds are associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. Spinach contains significant amounts of vitamin A and vitamin C. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining corneal health and supporting night vision, while vitamin C contributes to overall eye health by acting as an antioxidant. The iron content in spinach supports adequate oxygenation of tissues, including the eyes. Additionally, minerals like magnesium and zinc found in spinach contribute to the overall functioning of the eyes. These foods offer a variety of nutrients and antioxidants crucial for maintaining eye health. Incorporating them into a balanced diet can provide your eyes with the support they need for clear vision and protection against age-related diseases. However, it is important to note that although these foods contribute to overall well-being, it is always advisable to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Remember that a holistic approach to eye health, including regular eye exams and a healthy lifestyle, is critical to maintaining optimal vision throughout your life. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.